in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a sprite disappear on impact. So what to do first is when green flag clicked, show, because you want it to show first. Now do a forever loop, now do an if statement, and do, well right now all you gotta do, just find whatever one you want. It doesn't matter which sprites, I'm just going to use crab. And then go back here, do touching crab, and then do hide. So yeah, hide and touch it, it's already touching. So it'll be like this. And then touches it, it disappears. But we're not done yet. So what we're going to do is, let's just say we want them up in the corner somewhere. So I'll drag it up in the corner. And then make it go to the corner. Just make it go to wherever you want it to go. And do a forever loop. And then point towards Sprite 1. Do how many steps. Just so it moves closer. Yeah. So basically that is how to make a sprite disappear with on impact in Scratch. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe. And also keep coding. Bye.